bright. But can I get here for a sunrise? Anyway, walking on this wonderful sand, the dunes. Oh, I'm feeling good today. I'm changing my habits for sure. A long dress today. Oops, it's called CO. Wow, but it is bright. Wow, look at the sea foam. So the tide must be going out. See, there's a tide pool up there. I don't know if you can see it. Look at the sea foam. Gee, I hope nothing creepy's in there. Because I put my foot in it. Yeah. You know, they say the patterns that in your hands. You know, we have these patterns in our hands. But they say it's the same with the shore. See how the waves made a mark here in the sand? And that's how our nervous system makes the marks in our hands. And look at this. Something was digging here. That's some deep hole. So whatever went in there and made that hole, I have no idea, but definitely. The birds. I forget what they call them, the pipers. Sandpipers. Wow, it's very foamy today. Here we go.